Subscribe to Rajshri Food, and for regular recipe notifications, do not forget to click on the bell icon. Well, there's nothing called a vegetarian biryani. Well, vegetarian biryani for the uninitiated is referred to as taheri. A taheri could be made in various ways for vegetarians. It could have mixed vegetables, it could have potatoes, it could have mushrooms, baby corn, chana, lots of things. Today what I'm making is Dum Aloo Taheri or Dum Aloo Biryani. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Dum Aloo Biryani is actually very quick and easy provided you have a few things ready with you. What I'm making is a spice mix using fennel, coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Let's toast this well on medium flame till they are nice and fragrant. It's important to roast these three spices well because primarily this is going to be the flavor of the Dum Aloo Biryani. Do not over roast this because we do not want the hints of burnt flavor. The spices have toasted well. Let's transfer this into a grinder and allow these to cool down completely before grinding them. While the spices are cooling down, let's add in a few more spices. To begin with, I have some cloves and peppercorn. This is followed by a single bay leaf, and along with this, red chilli powder and turmeric. It's been 5 to 7 minutes and the spices have cooled down. Let's grind this into a powder. Once this is ground into a powder like this, only then would we add in the wet ingredients. In this case, ginger and garlic, along with some green chillies for flavor and just a little bit of fried onions. Let's grind this one more time without adding water. Once this mixture grinds into a coarse paste, we'll add in some water and grind it till nice and smooth. Our spice paste for Dum Aloo is done and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is heating a pan. The first thing that goes in the pan is some oil. Well, you could also end up using the same oil in which you had fried the onions and potatoes earlier. That's just going to take the taste to another level. While the oil is just beginning to heat, let's add in the paste. Ensure that the oil is not hot at this point in time because what would happen is the next ingredient that goes in is curd and that would end up splitting. Let's stir this and begin to cook on moderate flame. The next ingredient that goes in are fried potatoes. Well, these are small sized or moderately sized potatoes. What I've done is I have boiled them, poked them with a toothpick, or you can also use a fork. Deep fry these till they're nice and golden brown on the outside. Along with this, we need to add in salt as required. And finally, a cupful of water. We need to turn the flame on high, stir this well, cover it and allow the potatoes to kind of soak in all the liquid and turn nice and flavorful. And this is going to take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes. It's been around 15 minutes. Let's lower the flame and have a quick check. Well, at this moment, it looks nice and sumptuous. And if you notice, the oil has raised on the top surface. That's exactly how we want it. And at this stage, we'll add in parboiled rice. Well, this is the rice, the way we make for biryani. It's got some garam masala, it's got oil, it's got salt and lots of water. We cook this by draining method and there you cool this down till it's ready to use. Do not get tempted to press this, just kind of turn it here and there and fill in the gaps. We'll add in with this some fried onions. We'll just keep a little for later use, and along with this, freshly chopped coriander leaves. Again, keep a little aside for later use. Cover this and allow this to cook on dum for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. With this, our Dum Aloo Biryani is done and ready. Let's have a quick check. And now, let's serve. Well, this biryani, in more than many ways, is going to be possibly one of the best vegetarian biryanis or teheris that you would ever make. Also, I think it's one of the most wonderful ways of using potatoes. On that note, I'm most definite you've enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.